evening, everyone. My name is Tiara Novalia. Today, I want to introduce beauty product Glow Lips, the perfect lipstick for beautiful and confident lips every day. Lips every day. Nowadays, many people look for a lipstick that is beautiful, comfortable, long-lasting, and affordable. Glow Lip is the made to answer all of today with elegant packaging, highly quality ingredients, and trendy shade. Glow Lips for 12 beautiful shade. Uh, Glow Lips is suitable for everyday as and special occasion. I caution. Why choose Glow Lips? Why choose Glow Lips? First, First, Glow Light it's come in many beautiful shades for every state, from soft nude for natural makeup to bold red color for more elegant and confident looks. There is a perfect color for everyone. Glow Light is currently has 12 trendy shades. There are stable for teenager, student, and adults. Second, Glow Light is highly pigmented. The color is rich and bright in just one swipe. It's just one swipe. So users do not need to apply too much product. This makes the lipstick practical and easy to use. Third, Glow Light is long lasting and stay on for hours. Even after eating, drink, the color style looks beautiful. This is perfect for people who have money activity every day. Now let me explain the product's detail. Go live in the made white highly quality ingredients such as vitamin A, jojoba oil, and moisturizer. These ingredients help keep lips soft, smooth, and healthy. Unlike many other lipstick, Glow Lips does not make like dry or crack. The formula the formula is lightweight and comfortable. So so it feels soft on your lips and does not feel sticky or heavy. Glow Lips it also has a smooth matte finish that looks elegant but still keep the lips moisturizer. The packaging is modern, elegant, and easy to carry anywhere. There, anywhere. The lipstick come in style pink, pink, and rose gold design that looks luxury and attractive because out of its compact size. Glow lips it's easy to patch, bake, or make up patch. Uh, Compared to other lipstick brand, Glow Lip it has many advantage. First, the quality is very good, even though the price affordable. Second, the formula is long lasting, but still comfortable on the lips. Third, Glow Lips can stand vitamin A and moisturizer. and constant moisturizer ingredients, while some other lipstick can make lips dry. Let's glow lips glow lips over trendy color that are stable for daily makeup and social media content. Uh, no let no let no let's talk how about to buy glow lip. Glow lips customer can purchase glow lip stroke online shop, Instagram, TikTok shop, or official marketplace account. Buyer can easily order from home using their smartphone. For payment method, Glow Lips accept bank transfer, e-wallet, GoPay, OVO, Dana as cash on delivery or COD in select process. AC and more particle for customer after payment is confirmed. After payment is confirmed, the product will be processed immediately. Delivery usually takes around two to 5 days, depending on the customer location. Glow Lips, the product are packaged safety and neatly to make sure the lipstick arrives it good coincidence. We also provide good customer service. It's come receive damaged product or wrong say they can contact our customer service team for help and product exchange. Customer satisfaction is very important for us. And the best part is the price. Glow Lip is only for 49,000, which very affordable for highly quality lipstick. There is also special promo this month. Buy two get one free. This promo allow customer to try more set or share with friends and family. So it your money it you want beautiful lips, long lasting color, healthy ingredients, elegant packaging, affordable price, and easy shopping experience. Glow Lips lipstick, the perfect choice for you. Choose your favorite shade today and make your smile more beautiful with Glow Lips. Thank you for attention.